Can cryptocurrencies serve as a bridge, uniting nations in a common cause? In the increasingly globalized economy, cryptocurrencies are playing a pivotal role. These digital currencies, unbound by national frontiers, offer a unique opportunity for cooperation and unity among nations. They are not confined within the walls of traditional banking systems, nor are they subject to the whims of central banks. They are the currencies of the people, by the people, for the people. Let's take a trip to the Middle East, where the nations of Israel and Palestine have been embroiled in conflict for decades. Amidst the turmoil, a ray of hope emerges in the form of these digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies are stepping onto this contentious stage, not as an actor in the conflict, but as a potential peacemaker. As we delve deeper, let's explore how these digital currencies are playing a part in uniting Israel and Palestine. In the heart of the Middle East, a digital revolution is quietly taking shape. Israel and Palestine, two nations often known for their conflict, are finding common ground in the world of cryptocurrencies. A rising number of individuals and businesses in both territories are embracing digital currencies, drawn to their promise of financial autonomy and inclusivity. The reasons behind this phenomenon are multifaceted. For one, cryptocurrencies provide a unified platform that transcends national and political boundaries. This is an attractive prospect in a region marked by years of disputes. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of blockchain technology offers a level of financial stability and independence that traditional banking systems often fail to provide. These digital currencies are not just a trend, but a lifeline for many, allowing trade and commerce to flourish despite political tensions. Despite the ongoing conflict, the crypto revolution in the region is a testament to the power of innovation and common economic interests. But how exactly do cryptocurrencies foster unity between these two nations? Well, the answer lies in the unique nature of blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is a public ledger of all transactions that have ever been executed, offering unmatched transparency. This transparency fosters trust, a key ingredient in any thriving economic relationship. Moreover, blockchain's security features are second to none. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. This means that every transaction, every trade, every economic interaction is secure and reliable. This combination of transparency and security is incredibly appealing to Israelis and Palestinians alike. It offers a way to engage in economic activities without the fear of interference or manipulation. The blockchain, in essence, acts as a neutral ground, promoting economic cooperation without the usual political hurdles. It's clear that blockchain technology is paving the way for a new kind of economic interaction, one that sidesteps traditional political roadblocks. As we look to the future, what does this mean for Israel, Palestine, and the world at large? When we dwell on the potential implications of this unifying trend, there's no doubt that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are more than just buzzwords. They are the keys to unlocking possibilities that could reshape our world. Imagine other nations, torn by conflict and strife, learning from this shining example. Imagine them turning to technology, not as a weapon, but as a bridge. A bridge that can span the chasms of political discord and historical animosity. The ripple effect could be profound, touching every corner of the globe. This isn't just about economics anymore. It's about hope. It's about peace. It's about using the tools we have at our disposal to craft a better, more united world. Cryptocurrencies may be more than just a financial trend. They could be a powerful tool for peace and unity in our increasingly interconnected world.